Kids, today we will learn how to write C. Make a curve. Make a curve. C is ready. 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 C for cat. 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 Make a curve. C is ready. Make a curve. C is ready. C for cat. Make a curve. C is ready. 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 C. C for cat. C. C for cat. C. A. T. Cat. C for car. C A R. Car. C for castle. C A S T L E. Castle. C is cloud. C L O U D. Cloud. C for carrot. C A double R O T. Carrot. Bye bye kids. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.